White gaming PCs are usually ridiculously expensive. When people think about a clean, fully white setup with RGB lighting, they often imagine a price tag of well over $1,000. But what if I told you you could build something that looks just as good for only $200? So instead of buying an expensive pre-built system, I decided to do something a little different. I built my own fully white gaming PC for just $200. And surprisingly, this isn't just a good-looking PC either. It's actually powerful enough to run modern games. This build includes a Ryzen 5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and an RX 580 graphics card, all packed inside a clean white RGB setup. But this build wasn't just about throwing random cheap parts together. Every component was carefully chosen to get the best possible performance while staying on a very tight budget. In this video, I'll show you the entire process from the parts I used to the build itself, and of course, how it performs in real games. So sit back, relax, and let's see what a $200 white gaming PC can really do. First, we have the motherboard. This is the MSI A320M, and honestly, it's one of the best budget motherboards for the M4 platform. The reason M4 is amazing for budget builds is simple. You can use a huge range of processors from older Ryzen CPUs all the way up to much newer ones. That means upgrading later is super easy. I picked up this motherboard on the used market for about $30. And for this build, it's absolutely perfect. Next up is the processor. This is the Ryzen 5 1600. Yes, it's an older CPU, but don't underestimate it. It comes with 6 cores and 12 threads, 3.4 GHz, which is still great for gaming and multitasking. And for budget builds, this chip is actually a hidden gem. I bought this CPU for around $30, which is honestly a steal for this level of performance. Even today, it can handle many modern games surprisingly well. Now let's talk about RAM. If you've built a PC recently, you probably know that RAM prices are crazy right now. So I had to find something cheap. I found these two 8 GB sticks, running at 3200 MHz. But together they give us 16 GB of RAM, which is perfect for gaming. I got the pair for about $55. The only problem? They look terrible. Bright green plays completely ruin the white aesthetic. But I had an idea. Since this build is supposed to be fully white, I bought these white RAM heatsinks. They're simple stick-on aluminum covers. I got them for about $4. And now we can transform these boring green RAM sticks into something that actually matches the build. Sometimes small details like this make a huge difference in how a PC looks. Next up, the CPU cooler. This is a white tower cooler with RGB lighting and 2 copper heat pipes. It's more than enough for the Ryzen 5 1600. And of course, it fits perfectly with the white theme. The RGB lighting will also help make the build look much more premium. I paid around $10 for this cooler. For the power supply, I used this 500-watt first player unit. It's simple, reliable, and more than enough for this system. I bought it for around $20. Now for the most important part of any gaming PC, the graphics card. This is the RX 580 from Asus ROG Strix with a dual fan cooler. Even today, the RX 580 is still one of the best budget GPUs for 1080p gaming. It can run many modern games on medium or even high settings. I picked it up used for about $60. But there is one problem. It's completely black, and that doesn't fit our all-white build. So, we're going to fix that. First, we disassemble the graphics card. Then we clean the shroud with alcohol to remove dust and grease. I also carefully cover the RGB logo and important areas with masking tape. This way we keep the lighting and details untouched. I paint the shroud white. This simple mod completely transforms the look of the card. And honestly, it looks way better now. Since we're building a clean white setup, cables matter a lot. So I added white cable extensions. These hide the ugly stock cables from the power supply. They cost about $10, but they make the build look much more premium. I also added an RGB hub controller to manage all the fans and lighting in the case. It costs about $5. After assembling everything, this is the final result. A fully white gaming PC. Clean cables, RGB lighting, and a surprisingly powerful setup. All for around $200. Now let's see what this PC can actually do in games. The first game is CS2. In a game like Counter-Strike, high FPS is extremely important. And surprisingly, this PC performs really well. On medium settings, with FR turned off, at full HD, we get an average of around 110 FPS. That's a very solid result, and it means you can easily enjoy smooth and competitive gameplay on this system. Next up, we have a legendary game, GTA 5 Enhanced. Even after all these years, this game still looks amazing. On Ultra settings at full HD, the PC delivers an average of around 80 FPS. That means you can comfortably enjoy both the incredible graphics and the story of this classic game. Finally, we tested The Last of Us Part 1, which is known to be a very demanding PC game. On medium settings at 1080p, the PC delivers an average of around 40 FPS. For a $200 gaming PC, that's honestly a great result. The game remains playable and still looks beautiful even on these settings. So in the end, we built a fully white gaming PC for only $200. It looks amazing and it runs modern games. And it proves that you don't need thousands of dollars to build something cool. With some creativity, used parts, and a little bit of modding, you can build something truly unique. And honestly, I think this might be the best looking $200 gaming PC I've ever built. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like and subscribe. And maybe next time we'll try building an even crazier budget PC. Thanks for watching.